Jump number 3! Woo! It's time to step it up a notch. Forwards elevator time. How do you feel about that? Here we go. Oh, Black Betty. Yeah, Black, beautifully done, mate. Oh, dipper the head on the west up as well. You're gonna love that, buddy. Ah, jump number 3. 2 more to go. Yeah, top effort, mate. Crafty Rafty's on his way, mate. While you're bouncing around, hang it upside down. Woo! All right. Whoa, Black Betty, bam, bam. Here we go. Very good. See you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed it.